Yeah. Coach, what is the heading into camp? What's the biggest message that you've had for your team heading into week one?
Well, I think one of the most overlooked traits for young athletes nowadays is finishing. And we preach finish all the time. Finish and compete. Obviously the wins we want to win football games, but I feel like if you don't compete at a high level, if you don't come to practice ready to work every single day, if you don't come in with a fresh mindset of wanting to get better, wins will be very limited. So, the main thing for us is we want to finish. I watched them last year in games where, sometimes, like I said, the coaches can't do it for you. You can't go out there and play, but, in times of, sometimes when things are going well, you get a little complacent. So the main thing for us is not to get complacent. Obviously everybody knows we have some great talent defensively, but I want those guys to be better. I think we should have had more sacks last year. Obviously we want to score points, but we got to go as far as when we get in the red zone. We want to be 100% in the red zone getting points, whether that's field goals or touchdowns, more touchdowns than field goals. But everything